Hi little buddies. On this video you will have to learn about vegetables. Are you ready? Let's go. Guess this vegetable. Carrot. This is carrot. Guess this vegetable. Potato. This is potato. Guess this vegetable. Tomato. This is tomato. Guess this vegetable. Onion. This is onion. Guess this vegetable. Cucumber. This is cucumber. Guess this vegetable. Lettuce. This is lettuce. Guess this vegetable. Broccoli. This is broccoli. Guess this vegetable. Spinach. This is spinach. Guess this vegetable. Bell pepper. This is bell pepper. Guess this vegetable. Cauliflower. This is cauliflower. Guess this vegetable. Eggplant. This is eggplant. Guess this vegetable. Pumpkin. This is pumpkin. Guess this vegetable. Green beans. This is green bean. Guess this vegetable. Radish. This is radish. Guess this vegetable. Celery. This is celery. Guess this vegetable. Kale. This is kale. Guess this vegetable. Sweet potato. This is sweet potato. Guess this vegetable. Peas. These are peas. Guess this vegetable. Gourd. This is gourd.